Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to exchange IKEA furniture for a different size or color. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in ikea.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to IKEA if you haven't done that already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the left side of the screen, we have the shopping, favorite products, gift registry, your account, and in the top, we have the search bar. In the top right corner, we have everything about your account that you need. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and exchange IKEA furniture for a different size or color. So, exchange IKEA furniture for a different size and color is quite straightforward. And here's 5 easy steps how you can do it. First, I'll check out the return policy. So IKEA allows returns and exchanging within 365 days up on open products and within 180 days for open products, as long as you have proof of purchase. Prepare your items, ensure that the furniture is in good condition. If it is assembled, it should be completed and not damaged. Then visit the IKEA store. You can go to the IKEA store physically, bring in the item, your receipt and proof of purchase, and a valid photo ID to your nearest IKEA store, and head to Exchanges and Returns desk. Then, if you have an online purchase, if you bought the item online, you can start the return process online and then either bring the item to the store or arrange a pickup in the customer support center. And all of that you can do in the top right corner here. Click here and you can start a chat with the support center. That'll be everything, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.